you close above, gonna have a buy stop probably. Yeah, chat, gonna have a buy stop on the break of the highs here. I believe at 2166.89. So above this high, buy stops 2166.93 on Blueberry markets. So there you go. Got activated into buys here. Oops. Got activated into buys here. On the break of the high, I wanted to break it high instead of entering the flip, just because anything above there, I measured from here to here earlier. It gave you like a range of like I think 10 before you have like any type of minor resistance. So gone buys there, chat, off of that candle. TP, I believe we got activated right there. TP is gonna be up here at 21. I'll say you can probably put like 2166. Just be aware there's levels going up that might affect price. So like you might see like 2167, 2169 that may impact the way price looks. So at that point we're looking to be risk free anyways. But yeah, that's the entry. On entries, I think 6694 was the exact entry, and then stop loss is gonna be below 2150, because if you break 2150 you're going all the way down towards like 2145, right? But TP you could put it at like 2170 or 2173 ish. But I'm gonna look to obviously manage risk way beforehand. That's just like a hard TP in case it just rips up, right? But yeah, looking left, like breaking point is gonna be around like, where is it again? 67.986, and then next overall closure, partial closure is gonna be like, I'll say 2169.588. All right, and put this here. That's the plan, man. I don't think we got slipped there. I think it was a pretty solid entry. Put this here at this level just so I'm aware of that. I would like to see a partial tap there, but this is all clean traffic. I'll say looking left, like you're looking to just mirror these pushes up, right? Even when this candle drove up in the past before pulling back, like the next candle pulled back here, just that little wick there, it came up towards here first, tapped like 70, and then it pulled back afterwards, right? So that's kind of what we're basing it off of in terms of that clear traffic. If you go down to the 5 and 15, it's a lot more clear. The higher tap and shows is just like the overall candle and the way it closed, but same thing, man. Let me put my TP and stop loss here. What was TP, chat? 2173. 2173. 0.978. If you can re-break that high, you should get a chat. So be aware of that push, okay? It might happen pretty quickly if you break above 67.874. If once you break the high, you might see a. Just be aware. All right, so you broke the highs. You should get a now. And you get a pop. This is gonna be a risk-free trade though, chat. Making this a risk-free trade, and let's see if we can tap 6-9 levels. Can you get a pop? What's stopping price here? I don't see anything stopping price. Looking left, it's all clean. If the candle closes, you might get a pullback, right? So you want to see a push now before the closure. But you know what I'm gonna do here? I'm probably gonna close off full here, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna close off full here, chat. Close off full there, chat. My positions. Okay, struggling to break the highs there. You may get a push, but the thing about this, like going back to that thing I said earlier about how you get better over time at like understanding where your TP is. So like for instance, like if you have a closure in about 50 seconds here, look at where entry is and then look at where a TP is. If it's up here, right? Like it can definitely still drive up, but before driving up, what you might see is a bottom wick. So like that bottom wick, the most recent support likely could be tapped here. That's why I got out. Do that. But I guess it just continued broke the highs and drove here, which is still cool. If you guys held, congratulations on your TP getting smacked there. I closed full at I think 10 pips there. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Woo! 18 straight.